How to add music on Facebook profile. Welcome to the channel and let's start with this tutorial. Starting off, launch a Facebook application. Make sure to log in into your account. Tap on the three horizontal line. Scroll down, select Settings and Privacy and head to your Settings option. Again, scroll down. Under Audience and Visibility, select Profile Details. Scroll down until you see Music, then tap on Add Music. Select on the plus sign icon. Now you can select from this list. If not, in the search bar, go ahead and browse for the music that you want to add in your profile. Tap on the music. Now, if you want to add another music, tap on the X icon to clear it and search for a new one. Select the music one more time. Then you can head back from here. Now, as you can see, in the music option, 2 of the songs has been added. Now, if you head back from here, scroll up and check out your profile. You would see your music right here displayed on your profile. For that, tap on See Your About info. Then in the music section, you will see the music that you added. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.